Hi, this is Karen from My Vegan Venue. Today I'd like to share our Instant Pot recipe for vegan Italian vegetable soup. This fresh, light, and easy soup from our Sensational Soups collection takes advantage of abundant summer vegetables and herbs, including zucchini, yellow squash, sweet onions, tomatoes, and parsley. We add cannellini beans for protein and ditalini pasta for extra bite and substance. The recipe yields about 10 cups of soup and can be made in a 3-quart or larger Instant Pot. Assemble the ingredients. 3 cups of fresh chopped tomatoes in their own juice or a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. 1 medium sweet onion or other onion of choice. 1 small yellow squash. 1 small zucchini squash. 1 tablespoon vegan bouillon. 2 tablespoons dried seasoning, Italian seasoning, dried basil, or a garlic herb blend. 1/2 cup of ditalini pasta or other pasta of choice. 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon salt, a 15-ounce can or 1.5 cups of cannellini beans, and 1 small bunch of parsley. Prep the veggies by washing and drying the squashes. Cut off and discard the ends and then chop them into 1/2 inch chunks or half circles. Peel and chop the onion into 1/2 inch chunks and then wash and finely chop the parsley. Add all ingredients except the beans and parsley to the Instant Pot container and stir to combine. Cover the pot with the lid, ensuring the steam release handle is in the sealing position. Set to the soup broth setting. Allow the soup to cook and let the pressure release naturally. This will take about 60 minutes. When the valve has moved to the down position, remove the lid. Add the beans and stir them in. Allow them to heat through for about 5 minutes. Serve the soup hot with parsley sprinkled on top and season with additional salt and pepper if desired. We hope you enjoyed this recipe from our Sensational Soups line. Remember that each individual can save the lives of hundreds of animals a year by going vegan and staying vegan. Please visit us at www.myveganvenue.com for more sensational recipes and add a little paradise to your life each day. Thank you.